So it's the next morning, and I'm going to finish my spray application so I can put my seed down today. I've got quite a mixture of products going in the tank today. So the first thing I want to put in there is Tenacity. It's this stuff. This stuff is going to act as a pre-emergent. They'll last for 21 days, and then I'll put down another application of Tenacity. I'm putting this down at an application rate of 5 ounces per acre. So when you buy the Tenacity, they give you this little syringe right here to measure your amount of product. So I need 5.5 teaspoons of Tenacity. So that's going to be 5 ounces per acre rate. Oh my gosh. That is a bad deal. So I can't even see where the Tenacity is because this thing is all messed up. The syringe is all messed up. So I need 5.5 ounces. So I put 2.5, 3 ounces in now. There we go. That's 3 ounces. Never used this stuff before. It's a weird deal there. So next is Air8. So this bottle says 6 ounces per 1,000. So 6 times 8 is 48. 8,000 feet. So I need to put in 48. Well, I just put in 64. So I'm going to go with that. 6 to 9 ounces. So 9 times 8 is 72. So I put in 64. So that should be sufficient there. So then I want to do application of RGS, 3 to 6 ounces per 1,000. So I'm going to do 5 times 8, 40 ounces is what I want to do on this one. That's about 48 ounces. This is going to be a strong humic mixture. I'm also going to do an application of microgreen. This one says 10 to 16 ounces. Holy crap. This one says supply 10 to 16 ounces per 1,000. So I'm going to do 96 ounces. Holy crap, that is a lot. That is a serious tank mix of humic acid. Holy crap. This pitcher, this is so awesome for mixing stuff. It's got all the amounts right here, the ounces and the milliliters. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get this thing from Amazon. So awesome. 2. So that is thick and black. I'm going to try to apply this as evenly as I can over this 8,000 square feet. So this is one tank mixture that you do not want to get on the concrete. It is going to be super concentrated stuff, and it'll stay in the concrete, so you got to be careful with that. This stuff also you don't want to get on the ornamentals because it's got Tenacity, and that acts as a post-emergent, so it'll kill them. So I'm just going to run through this and do my trim pass all the way around first, and then I'll do the field. Hopefully try to get it sprayed as evenly as possible. I was almost able to finish the whole lawn twice, which pretty much tells me that I was able to get an even application. I'm going to put down some Hydretain now. This stuff's supposed to help with keeping the seed wet and help with the dry spots. Make sure the seed stays wet while it's germinating. I haven't tried this with seeding yet. I have tried it on the lawn and my flower baskets and pots. Works pretty good. I'm a fan of this stuff. It's fairly expensive. It's like 40 bucks for this little quart jug, but You know, I'm doing the seeding and I want every chance to succeed with this project, so I'm willing to put in a little bit of money for this. I got this from Do My Own. I'll leave a link down below if you want to go and check it out. This bottle is supposed to cover 5,000 square feet of lawn, and so I've got 8,000 square feet, so I'm going to add 2 bottles. So I'm going to add 2 bottles for that extra protection, if you know what I mean. Looky Lou over there. Oh, look at that guy, he's out there filming. What's that thing he's got? So the guy from Hydretain actually called me, and he said that this stuff needs to be watered in. So you got to put like 1/10 of an inch of rain or of water within like the first whatever. So if you're going to use this stuff, make sure you put it down with water, either with this thing, the hose end sprayer, or like a tank or something like this. And then also make sure you water it in with a sprinkler or rain or something, but it needs to be watered in within like 6 or 8 hours or something like that. I would hate for you to say, oh, that product sucks because you didn't water it in. It says right on the bottle here, reduce watering by up to 50% or more. I don't know if I believe that, but it's what it says. I have seen success with this on my my localized dry spots that I've got. This stuff's kind of sudsy when you put it down. So it's kind of cool. It kind of looks like suds or soap or something. Maybe it's derived from soap or something. I have no idea. So there we go. So I'm going to fill the rest of the tank with water here. And then I'm going to try to put this down as evenly as possible. I'll probably be able to get about 1 3/4 rounds put down. I want to use as much of this as I possibly can because it's got the tenacity in there as well. I'm going to mix it up with this hand mixer. I'm telling you guys, if you don't have one of these things, go down to Lowe's or Home Depot and get this, okay? It's way awesome. Okay, let's go for it. Hydretain going down. So that pretty much does it for this application of the Hydretain, the Humic products, and the Tenacity. So I'm just going to fill it up with water, run it over 2 or 3 times so I know that it's kind of cleaned out, water is out of the tank, and kind of that old mixture of Humic and the Tenacity's out. So definitely want to get the seed down today. I put all my products down, did all the verticutting yesterday. It is ready to put the seed down. I do have an aerator here, and I was thinking about doing the core aeration, but I just flat don't have the energy for it, and I don't want to do it. So I'm just gonna run over the lawn with just water to kind of water in everything, and then do it again and again, maybe like 3 times to get all the to get the tank flushed out. So you've seen my lawn, you've seen how I do my damage here. Get the heck out of here.